gum, we don't eat the gum. My cat's back. Nala, you're gonna no. John, she's a cutie. John McNamara, Andre Dawson, the Hawk All-Star. Nice. Put him in front of his teammate Ryan Sandberg. We got Jeff Sellers, Lance Parrish, Barry Jones, Cardinals leaders, Steve Lombardozzi. Here's our send-away card. Ernie Witt, Mark Clear, Doug Drabeck, Frank Lucchese, I think that's how you say it, Marty Barrett, Manny Lee, Jack Clark All-Star, and then here is the Ricky Henderson. A little off-center. We'll put Ricky up front. He deserves it.